Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing your iPhone. Make sure iOS is current and you're signed into your Apple ID. Once done, open Settings and scroll to Safari. You're beginning the permission flow. Tap Safari to access the Extensions area because extensions live inside Safari settings rather than the App Store directly. Make sure screen time settings aren't blocking Safari features and pause briefly to verify you have enough storage. This gets you to the exact place where extension installation and management begin. You'll now get the extension app. Open the App Store and search for a Safari extension or a browser utility that lists Safari support. Install the app like any other. The app includes the actual Safari extension module. Next, go back to Settings Safari Extensions to locate the newly added entry. Tap the extension name to enable it, grant requested permissions, and configure options inside the app if available. Make sure you allow access on specified sites when prompted so it can run where you need it. Finish by enabling and configuring the extension for real use. In Settings Safari Extensions, toggle it on, set default permissions, and choose whether it runs on all sites or specific domains. Then open Safari to check functionality. Use the menu or share sheet to enable or disable per site. If the extension doesn't appear or misbehaves, restart your iPhone, check for an app update, and if necessary, reinstall the extension app. That usually resolves registration or permission glitch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.